Hi, my name is Sabrina Guo. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Oyster Bay, New York, USA. I experience the effects of climate change every day because the area I live in is known for having the most contaminated drinking water in New York State. I'm aware that the effects I feel are nothing compared to the effects that more vulnerable people feel. Climate change impacts those among us with the fewest resources to manage such change. It's incredibly important for everyone to know the facts and to share them broadly. My generation is inheriting a damaged planet, so we need to do everything we can to help the earth, animals, and each other. My poem is about my hometown, Oyster Bay, and it's inspired by all those in my community, especially our sanitation workers who are laboring hard every day to keep our neighborhoods clean, beautiful, and green. 65 Sibley. In the summer, when it pours, a lake forms in my backyard, rivulets soaking the grass, a jungle monsoon thousands of miles away. My boots heavy in the rain, I share my sorrow with calming droplets and hear my truth. Recall that I was born in Queens, of which I remember little except for smoke unfurling from apartment roofs before my family moved to Long Island, which is hardly an island at all. It's not tropical for one thing, and you don't need a boat or a plane to get there. In Oyster Bay, it snows in the winter, cold enough for hot cocoa and heavy coats. The blades of my skates cut into the ice, but they don't break the surface as the frozen asteroid 65 Sibley did 4.5 billion years ago, breaking off a chunk of rock that then became the moon. In concert with the sun, that solar nebula collapsed by gravity, spread its tendrils over the Earth, melted the ice that remained into bodies of water. But where did the asteroid's ice come from in the first place? I can't help but ask when I feel the blades of my skates tracing lines, knowing full well all stories must start somewhere. Water is made of molecules, and molecules are made of atoms. And atoms are made of neutrons, electrons, and protons, opposite forces that need each other to form life. Everything a process, an experience of coming into contact with the other. Thank you.